CraftStash Essential Blending Mats are two mats that come in A4 and 6x6 size in a pack together. They are absolutely perfect for doing your ink blending with, because you can apply your ink to the mat and then blend off of the mat so that you get the perfect amount of ink dispense. They all wipe clean afterwards as well, which is an absolute bonus. They're clear so you can see through. If you need to use the grid on your mat, you can do so. Using mediums such as watercolour ink, for example, can be used now without making a mess on your desk. You can do simple techniques such as the smooching technique, a beginner's watercolour effect to create your own backgrounds, and then wipe everything away afterwards, keeping everything clean. You can also use your blending mats for things like mixing up your mediums. So for example here, mixing a watercolour ink into a texture paste to create a new colour. And again, everything wipes clean. But this protects your surface, allows you the smooth surface for you to be mixing your pastes, your gels, your paints, your inks and all other mediums on top of.